dear kids. I hope you're all fine and safe at home. I'm here again for a new activity class. So children, today we are going to make a beautiful gift wrapping. So in this activity class, today we are going to learn a new activity, and our activity is a gift wrapping. So we need these things: one empty box, gift wrapping paper, scissors, sellotape, and any kind of ribbon and or decoration material. Okay, so let's start with me. So children, first we will take this gift wrapping paper. You can take any kind of paper. I am going to take this golden color paper and then take an empty box or gifted box. Okay, then how will you make this gift wrapping? So first you will keep your box as like this and just measure it ki now your packing sheet is perfect or not. So you will take this size of packing sheet, then afterwards remove this box and then fold this corner is like this. Then afterwards hold both corners and fold it in a broad strip as like this. So how many times you have to fold as like this? 5 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many times you have to fold? 5 times. Then afterwards every children will open this strip and then turn it as like this. Okay. Then afterwards what will you do? Then hold this. Then you have to hold this strip, folded strip, then put your finger here, then hold these please and then fold it in a little bit slanting way. कैसे करना है? Slanting way में थोड़ा सा जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है उसको ऐसे fold करना है. So you have to fold all the folds as like this, just like a fan folding. See. Then afterwards what will you do? You can see when you will turn your paper, so here is also you can see the fan folding is like this. Then afterwards put your paper here and then keep your box here and see. Okay. Then what will you do? First you have to fold this paper as like this and paste it with sellotape nicely. Then you have to hold these fan folding part and then paste it. Then you have to hold these fan folding part and then paste it with sellotape. Here also you have to paste. You can cut this part if you want to cut it. So you can cut it. I am going to fold it. Then fold it as like this. So you have to fold all the folds with the help of fingers. So how will you fold this? See. And then paste it with the help of sellotape. Same you have to fold the other side. Now, so children, you can see I have wrapped this box very nicely with the help of this wrapping sheet. So you will also wrap this gift box as like this, and afterwards we will use this white color plastic tape. So you can use any kind of decoration material here. So I am going to use this tape. Then afterwards I have to paste the white color ribbon and I have to make this beautiful flower. You can use any kind of decoration, just like a clothes, ribbon, beads, anything you can, and then you have to paste this flower here on the ribbon. Okay, now paste it. So children, you can see our gift wrapping is ready. So you will also make your Raksha Bandhan gift as like this and then wrap your beautiful gift with this beautiful gift wrapping and enjoy this Raksha Bandhan activity at home. Thank you. Have a nice day children.